Well, I should have added this video with the previous one, but I forgot. So for this one, we're going to create our own area model for multiplying fractions. And the first thing we're going to start with is just by making a square. Doesn't matter how big it is. And we need to remember that the dimensions of the square are 1 square foot. So from here to here is 1 unit, and from here to here is 1 unit. Then let's say we had the problem, 1/2 times 3/4. 1/2 times 3/4. We'd start with the first fraction here, and we would be dealing with the horizontal portion here, excuse me, and we would divide this into half. And we could label this is 1/2, and then this would be 2 halves or 1. Next, we look at the next fraction. We look at the denominator for 4, so we have to divide this into 4 sections, into fourths. Again, we can label them 1/4. Then we've got 2/4, and then 3/4, and then 4/4. And when we were originally creating our own fraction of multiplication ones, where we were shading it in, we were shading in more than we're going to on this one. So for this problem, we're going to kind of treat it like coordinate plane. It's not a coordinate plane, it's just using an area model, but we're going to treat it kind of like it. So our first fraction here is 1/2, so it'll come out to 1/2. And then our second fraction is 3/4, so we'll go up to 3/4. So we're going to work on shading in this portion right here. And that shows us that there's 3 shaded in sections. There's 3 shaded in sections. And then for the total number of sections, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1/2 times 3/4 equals 3/8. Make sure if you have any questions, let your teacher know. And we'll see you in the next video.